Hey there! Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that developers might face in their codebase. The problem at hand revolves around a warning thrown by GCC starting from version 11, indicating that a pointer variable ARR may be used uninitialized in a certain function. The code snippet involves dynamic stack allocation using the alloca function, and the warning seems perplexing since the code looks straightforward with no apparent uninitialized paths. Let's dive into the details and unravel the mystery behind this warning. In the solution provided, we focus on a specific part of the code snippet to dissect the root of the warning. By examining the snippet where a void pointer ARR is initialized with alloca 10 and then passed to a function f with a size of 0, we observe that GCC still raises the same warning. Interestingly, storing any value in the allocated memory suppresses the warning, hinting that GCC may be signaling concerns about writing to a zero-size memory allocation. Moreover, converting the pointer to a non-const type also eliminates the warning. This indicates that GCC may be analyzing the scenario based on the const qualifier and the possibility of data being written to the allocated memory. In summary, we delve into the intricacies of a warning triggered by GCC in a specific scenario involving dynamic stack allocation. The provided solution shed light on how GCC's analysis might be influenced by const qualifications in memory writing operations. Understanding these nuances can help in addressing similar warnings in codebases utilizing dynamic memory allocation strategies. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious and keep coding.